Honestly, like, who thought it'd be a good idea to be like, you know what, mate, let's put food on a stick one day. Hey guys, it's me, Becca, and welcome back to my channel. So, I was feeling a very snacky kind of mood, and I was raiding my refrigerator, my pantry, and I found this pack of tater tots. And they've been there for a little bit, but they're still fresh-ish. And then I went on Pinterest, and I was like, what can I do with these tater tots that would be new and different? And I found this awesome recipe, and I'm gonna try it today with you guys. Let's see if it works. Alright guys, here what you're going to need for this video. Cooking spray, tater tots, ranch seasoning mix, cheddar jack cheese, bacon, skewers, and a large baking sheet. Let's get started. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I'm starting to fry my bacon. I'm doing 4-piece slices at a time, and a total of 8 is what we're going to need for this recipe. So go ahead and just fry some bacon up. Okay guys, so now that you have preheated your oven to whatever directions your pack of tater tots have said, you're just going to want to spray some type of oil on your baking sheet. My oil of choice was canola. Every bag is different, so you're just going to want to follow those instructions. Mine said 425 for 20 to 25 minutes. So I'm going to just dump about my whole bag in there because you can never have too many tater tots. And I'm gonna just make a flat surface. And now that that's perfect and flat, we're gonna go ahead and put that in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. So now the tater tots are perfectly golden brown, and I'm gonna go add seasoning to these. I'm gonna get our packet of ranch seasoning, and I'm just gonna start sprinkling a little bit of ranch seasoning over the tater tots just to create some flavor, and move it around with a spoon. You're just gonna want to keep adding a little bit of ranch just so you get a little bit of taste on everything. And then give that a good whisk. Ooh. Set some flyaways there. Okay. Now that that is perfectly mixed, we're going to set those aside. And we're going to crumble our 8 pieces of bacon. The way I crumble bacon is literally just kind of ripping it apart little by little. And normally bacon crumbles very easily. You just kind of need to pull it apart and apply a little pressure. And it will crumble by itself. Okay guys, now that the bacon has been crumbled, we're going to put 6 to 7 tater tots on our skewers. Do as so. Okay, now that our tater tots on our skewers, do as many as you can fit onto them. And then we'll sprinkle our bacon and cheese. Okay, now that I'm done putting all the tater tots on their skewers, we're going to go ahead and get our crumbled bacon. We're just going to throw that on top of the skewers, like so. I believe that bacon should be put in plenty, so I'm going to just load it up here. I mean, these are loaded tater tots. And I figured that making the tater tots kind of like a bed, you guys can see on the sheet pan, helps the bacon stay on there a little extra. So, just a pro tip. Now that the bacon is on there, we're going to sprinkle our cheese. You guys know me, I'm always generous with cheese. Life's too short to not have enough cheese. Now I'm going to go ahead and put these back in the oven on the same 425 degrees, just so the cheese is melted. Oh my god, look at that ooey cheesy goodness. Okay guys, and now for the best part, a taste test. Let's see if it's any good. This, guys, is a triple threat. It's got bacon, cheese, and carbs. You can never go wrong with those three mixed together. Honestly, this is like the favorite thing. I think I could eat this day and night and I'd never get bored. And it's so easy to make. And who doesn't love bacon, cheese, and carbs? Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys soon. See ya. My dishwasher's running. This works.